Hi guys, how are you? In this video I'm going to unbox the Nikon 3200 which I got from Marketplace. Recently I found this on Facebook Marketplace and it was mentioned that this 3200 was sitting for a while in this guy's house, and he has not used this camera, and he has other camera also. So I will be showing you the full box. So I've got the camera itself and other accessories which comes with the original packaging. So I have paid some money, so I will be not telling you that how much I paid for it, but the actual worth of the camera in the Amazon is 430 euro, which I saw recently. And you can see I'm getting everything inside the box, including 2 lenses. I think it's the camera cover. Yes. So what do you think, guys, about this buy from the Marketplace? So how much it is worth for Nikon 3200 right now? So please let me know in the comment section. Like, what do you think? What should be the price of this Nikon 3200? So you can see the lenses. It is brand new. So I think I'm quite happy with this Nikon 3200. So what do you guys think? And I will be also showing you some pictures and videos which I have taken with this. So this is the camera itself. It's brand new, and you can see it's a good camera, good quality. I see some fingerprints on the screen, but I think it's fine because the camera is good and new. So